Taking a look at our schematics, we have both our bottom rail kick plate and top front rail installed between our two front stiles. We have sized down our pieces and cut pocket screws, and we are ready to fit this in place. And we want this perfectly flush with the bottom. And before installing the pocket screws, I'm going to install a clamp to help hold the front surface of both of these pieces flush. I'm then going to flip the project over. And I want to check everything to make sure that it is lined up properly. And if I take a look at the inside of the project, at this connection point, I do have just a little bit of a lip on the inside. Now the reason for this is that the 3/4 inch plywood is not actually 3/4 of an inch. It is more like 0.71 inches. So just a little bit under 3/4 of an inch. You could trim this piece down before you install it, or you could leave this minor 1/32 of an inch lip, which is what we're going to do. And if you're good with everything, we can flip the project back over, take everything off to prep for glue. And with our Jorgensen clamps securely holding our pieces flush, we can install a couple bar clamps along the length of this piece. We can then flip it over and install our pocket screws. And we can remove our wood clamps, but the bar clamps need to stay on for 24 hours. With our top front rail, we're going to flip the project back over, set a clamp in place, install our workpiece with just a little bit of light pressure. We need to make sure that we are flush at the top. And then we'll add a clamp. This then can be flipped back over, and we can install those additional pocket screws. And we should be able to remove all of those top clamps.